A hexagonal prism base side of 30 mm, axis side 60 mm resting on HP, two of its base sides perpendicular to VP. Okay, it is cut by a plane inclined 50 degrees to HP and 12 mm from the top base. Draw its front view, top view and true shape of the section. This is a problem, right? So first we will draw the projection of solid. Draw the XY line. Two of its base sides are perpendicular to VP. Beta. So this line should be perpendicular. Now we have to mark the points A, B, C, D, E and F. And inside the brackets P, Q, R, S, T and U. Top view on the J. Then we have to draw the front view. Front view right now. Front view. Axis at 60 mm. So we have to take 60 mm. Then 60 mm adu. Now we have to mark the points. B dash inside the bracket A dash, C dash inside the bracket F dash, D dash inside the bracket E dash. அதே மாதிரி பாட்டம்ல Q dash inside the bracket P dash, R dash inside the bracket F dash, S dash inside the bracket T dash. Okay, up to there namak already we have studied in the projection of solids. Right? Now we have to draw the cutting plane. Cutting plane varino. The cutting plane is 12 mm from the top base. So மேல இருந்து 12 mm from the top base. Then you have to take 50 degree. 50 degree எடுக்கிறோம். Then you have to draw this cutting plane. Short line, long line. Short line, long line. The next step we have to mark the cutting points. So each edge is having the cutting point. P dash A dash. P dash A dash la 1 dash. It is inside the brackets. A dash P dash is inside the bracket. Okay va? அடுத்தது P dash Q dash 2 dash 2 dash. அடுத்தது C dash R dash. C dash R dash la 3 dash. அடுத்தது மேல C dash D dash. C dash D dash ல 4 dash. அதே மாதிரி அதுல பின்னாடி இருக்குது. That is E dash T dash. E dash T dash ல inside the bracket 5 dash. Right? Then here T dash F dash. T dash F dash ல 6 dash. So now we have marked the cutting point. All cutting point mark பண்ணிட்டோம். This is the front view. அது top view வரையணும். பாருங்க BQ இதுல ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் போட்டாலே நமக்கு ரெண்டு எட்ஜ்மே கனெக்ட் ஆகுது. This is 1. This is 2. அடுத்தது 3 and 6 பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is CR F FB போடா. So இந்த ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் போடும்போது இதுல 3 and இப்ப பாருங்க இதுல இருந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் கொடுக்கிறோம். C and D between C and D is 4. C and D is 4. E and F. E and F la 5. E and F la 5. And again here D6. இத ஜாயின் பண்ணிரோம். Join பண்ணா this is the section. So this is a top view. இந்த portion மட்டும் கட் பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டோம்னா we can able to see as a section or section தெரியும். The next step we have to draw the true shape of the section. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்றோம்? ஒவ்வொரு எட்ஜ்ல இருந்தும் perpendicular line. This is perpendicular line. Now we have to draw a parallel line. This is x1, y1. Now you measure the length, right? 1 and 2. 1 and 2 measure control. That is, this is 1, this is 2, then 3. The length of 3. This is 3, then 4. 4 on the distance. 4, then 5. Five, another 6. 6 oda distance. No. 6. The join பண்ணீங்கன்னா you get this. Now I will draw it with 45-degree line. So this is the true shape of the section. Now, you understand now?